Sunlight bathes the cafe in a warm glow, promising a bright start to the day. Sam bursts into the cafe, their cheerful face lighting up the room. "Morning, Lily," Sam greets, their voice a ray of sunshine. Lily stands behind the counter, expertly crafting a cappuccino. Sam's cheerful demeanor shifts as they notice John slumped at a table, a visible cloud of stress hanging over him. Concern etching their features, Sam asks Lily, "Everything okay with him?" Lily replies, "He lost his wallet." Bathed in the soft light of dawn, the park awakens as Sam, Lily, and John reunite amidst the tranquil scenery. John's hope flickers, probably gone for good. Sam's determination shines. "Stay positive. Let's start with the benches." Lily searches under a bench, while Sam uncovers a discarded newspaper, revealing a glimmer of hope. John's eyes widen with relief as he recognizes the familiar sight. My wallet. In the comforting embrace of the familiar cafe, John leans back, a wave of serenity softening his features. Lily approaches, her smile as warm as the cafe's gentle lighting, and refills John's cup. Sam's voice echoes softly. "You kept it together, which helped. Panic wouldn't have solved anything." John raises his cup, his eyes reflecting newfound wisdom. "Learned a lesson today. Patience and good friends are powerful." The cafe glows with a renewed sense of peace, the clinking of cups and soft murmurs weaving a tapestry of quiet strength. Bathed in sunlight, Lily delicately sips her latte, the cafe buzzing with life. John leans in, captivated as Lily speaks, a supportive smile from Sam nearby. Lily suggests, "We could all go," John responds. "I'm actually looking forward to the weekend now." The air buzzes with excitement. Sam's encouraging words resonate. "Do it. New experiences are great. See you tomorrow," John replies. "Thanks again."